Hello friends, this is Shalin Singh Chauhan. Today I am going to explain a very important poem, The True Beauty, that has been composed by a famous poet, Thomas Carlyle. He was born in 1595 and died in 1639. Now I am going to explain the poem. He that loves a rosy cheek or a coral lips admire, or from star-like eyes doth seek fuel to maintain his fires. As old time makes these decay, so his flames must waste away. The poet says that the, lo- the love based on physical beauty is short lived. A man is attracted by the physical charm of his beloved. He loves her for rosy cheeks. He praises her because her lips are as red as the gem called coral. He keeps the fire of his love alive by her eyes, which are as bright as the stars in the sky. Thus, his love depends on the physical charm of the beloved. As time passes, his beloved become old, the physical beauty fades away. With the change in her physical attraction, his loves also come to an end. But a smooth and steadfast mind, gentle thoughts, and calm desire, heart with equal love combined, kindle never dying fires. Where these are not, I despise lovely cheeks or lips or eyes. In these lines, the poet point out that the love based on spiritual beauty is everlasting. The poet says that moral qualities are necessary for true beauty. He praises the beauty of mind and soul. A woman who has constant and firm mind possesses true beauty, gentle thoughts, peaceful desires, combined with love in the same degree are necessary for permanent love. The fire of such a true love never dies. When these things are wanting, the poet does not like rosy cheeks, coral lips, and star-like eyes. He hates physical sweetness. In this poem, you can guess one line from star like eyes doth seek. This line is expressing simply figure of speech, and so his flame must waste away. This line is expressing personification figure of speech, and I think you all have understand it very well. Thank you. Thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you.